Good morning, everyone. Today is your art class, and I am going to tell you about single line drawing today. Dear children, you can see the paper over here, and there are some drawings, and you can see here a person running, sitting, standing, eating, jumping. Now, today I will tell you how to draw these figures by just drawing a single line. Yes, children, you can see here. Now, for this, what you need a pencil, then your pencil colors. You can also use wax color, right? And your drawing copy. Now here I have taken a paper, and on this paper I am going to tell you how to draw these figures. These all are called single line drawings. Now suppose this is your drawing copy, and here I will show you how by drawing just a single line you can draw several figures. First of all, now here a face which is round in shape, single line. Eyes, mouth, hands. Now how it's looking like? It's looking like a person is running. So by just drawing a single line, you can show person running. Same as a circle, two eyes, mouth, just a single line, single straight line. These are two hands. Now see, the person is standing. Same as if a person is sitting. Now this is, suppose, the chair. This is the chair. Draw the face first. Then person is looking like he is sitting on a chair. Then one more picture you can draw showing person running in this way also. These are the two hands. Person running. If a person is jumping, again draw a circle which shows the face. These are the two hands. Two lines. This shows the person is jumping. If suppose a person is eating, then first draw a table. Here is a bowl. Some eatable is in the bowl. Just draw a face. Single straight line. and a spoon in the other hand, and this is showing a person is eating. So by just drawing single lines we can show different actions: jumping, eating, running, standing, sitting. It's really a fun to draw this. So children, you can apply colors also. Now how to apply colors? Let's see. You can take pencil color or crayons and just on the line you can apply some colors in this way, so it will become colorful. Same as you can take another color, apply on the line. We can give some colors to all these figures. Yes, now the person is sitting over here. You can use different color for the chair. Same as when a person is jumping. A person is eating. So you can apply different colors on all these lines. And look here, by just drawing a single straight line we can draw such type of figures, and it's all showing different actions of a person. So children, just draw all these figures in your drawing copy and send me. Thank you.